Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 2.4 question number 2. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Suppose let the numbers let the number let the numbers be let the numbers let the numbers be x and 5x and 5x. According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, according to the question, five x plus 21 is equal to x plus 21. It is twice, that is 2. 2 into x plus 21. If we solve this problem, that is 5x plus 21 is equal to 2x plus 2 into 21, that is 202, 2 to the 4, 42. Now 5x minus 2x is equal to 42 minus 21. That is on transposing on transposing on transposing 2x to left hand side and 21 to right hand side we get this value, right? Now you see 5x minus 2x is 3x is equal to 42 minus 21, that is 1, that is 31. Dividing both sides by 3 we get, dividing both sides by 3, dividing both sides by 3 we get 3x by 3, that is x, is equal to 21 by 3, 1 by 3, that is equal to 3 7 21 7. Therefore the value of x is equal to 7, that is x is equal to 7, right? Therefore the numbers are x is equal to 7 and 5x that is equal to 5 into 7 and that is equal to 35. Therefore the numbers are 7 and 35. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.